What am I doing? I'm an idiot. That's all I can say. So, there is a common misconception that when you live in Canada, it's cold. It's not cold. It's minus 17. There's a common misconception when you live in Canada that we get a lot of snow. So, I'm here today to tell you guys how to get white winter imagery. All the time, when you take a camera out, if you're on an auto setting, all you get is your snow looking gray. We're here today to show you how to get that snow white. So now, it's snowing again. Sorry for the shaky camera work. It's kind of an uneven trail. I don't have my snowshoes on. The reason why your camera makes the snow gray is because your camera is trying to measure everything as an even exposure. So it sees the snow as being all white and it says, hey, wait a minute, we can't have that. It's too cold for this. Location found. Camera's somewhat straight. Now, the reason that is because your camera sees all that white and says, that's too bright. We gotta make it better. We gotta cool it down. We gotta mellow it down. So it turns all that white into gray. So what you have to do is manually overcompensate for that white. And there's a thing called exposure compensation on the back of your camera that we're going to show you how to work today to turn that gray into smoking awesome white. Hang tight. I'm just going to switch around here because it's just me and I forgot the other camera, so I'm going to grab my phone out and show you the back of the camera. Hold on one second. All right, guys, so what we're looking at is the back of the 70D. This is aperture priority. I'm going to pop a shot without exposure compensation by simply popping a shot. Look at that image. Boom, it's on screen now. Now what we're going to do is that little thing that's highlighted is your exposure compensation. All we're going to do is simply bump that up by 2 stops. And we're going to pop another shot just like this. Shebang, as Peter Hurley says. And look at the difference in that shot. Just about died. That's all there is to it. Exposure compensation. Bump it up 2 stops. Boom. Those whites go white. Your portraits will look amazing. Your landscapes will look amazing. All you got to do, get white snow, exposure compensation, bump it up a couple of stops. Practice with it to see how many stops you want to make it. But 2 on average to start with, and then you can play around with it. That's it. I'm cold. It's starting to snow some more. I need coffee. But first, I'm just going to lie down for a bit. See you next time.